HMY stock next week in this 1 minute video covering technical analysis, price predictions, and whether Harmony Gold Mining Company Limited is actually a buy or sell. This freaking company's name has like 5 words in the name, but Harmony Gold Mining Company is sitting at 7.91. Just for your context, I'm using a strategy system that has previously given me thousands and thousands of wins only 2023, and I've documented everything. Everything is uploaded on my YouTube channel, so check it out. But nonetheless, this is exactly what I'm expecting the price to do. If we're looking at it from a higher time frame, we have seen some beautiful shifts in price, so that's good. Even observing it from right here, boom. This is just what first came into my eye. Okay, actually no. Nonetheless, whether it's a break there or a break like the first break that I had, it all still comes back down from this demand area. So surely marking out the highs. If the price comes into my demand area here and then gives me the rules, I'm still relatively bullish. So that's the way that I would move here. This is obviously not financial advice. And what does the okay? That's monthly chart. So let's go weekly and then daily. This demand area either here or the demand area that we have here on the daily chart is all two decent demand areas. So both of them are going to be kept in mind when I'm actually trying to get inside an opportunity. And for me to be bullish here, the price needs to pull back into the demand area, then give me the rules. So check out the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.